On November 18, the Union County Board of County Commissioners illuminated the night with the vibrant hues of Diwali during the 2023 Diwali celebration held at the Trailside Nature and Science Center. Union County Vice Chairwoman Kimberly Pamiri Mudet and Commissioner Betty Jane Kowalski were among the distinguished guests who graced the occasion, joining the community in celebrating the Festival of Lights. Organized by Anjali Mehrotra, a prominent figure serving on the board of directors of the National Organization for Women and the founder of Equality Period, New Jersey, the event brought together individuals from diverse backgrounds to revel in the cultural richness of Diwali. This marked the third annual Diwali celebration in Union County, an event that has become a cherished tradition. The festivities saw a vibrant showcase of talent from the community and served as a testament to the county's commitment to fostering cultural diversity and inclusivity. Take a look.
At our food drive. The food drive was supposed to end at 12 noon, but due to an incredibly high demand of carbs in need of food for this Thanksgiving, the line just kept going on, and we didn't want to turn anyone away. So that program went a lot longer than we had planned. And it's just a reminder of the great need that is out there in our community. I'm always very thankful that our friends here in Union County allow me to have my children join me, usually on the hip or at my side, because sometimes we can't, anyone that has children or nieces or nephews know that sometimes you don't have another choice and you have to bring them along. But I think it's a great testament at a program like this to show our children and the youth of our community what we're made of. And I loved that we had Push and Love from New Providence join us. I know that wasn't easy as 13-year-old boys to get in front of a crowd, but it was beautiful and really special to have you here. And I know that that is the future of our county, as are all of our performers tonight. So we're so happy to have you all here to celebrate. I want to give a special shout out to Anjali Mehrotra, who, again, I actually forgot about that, doing the celebration on Zoom several years ago. And we were really proud of ourselves back then that we actually did it. And then last year we had a smaller program at the county courthouse, and we've grown tremendously in that time. So we're so glad that you're all joining us here today. We hope that next year will be even bigger and better than we are today. So I'm going to pass this along to my colleague Betty Jane Kowalski. for this amazing, amazing opportunity to bring all of our culture together. It is, when they say America is a melting pot of cultures, we literally just witnessed some of it today. So thank you.
Our community, your community, comes together to embrace the vibrant colors, traditions, and the spirit of unity that define this occasion. Diwali, known as the Festival of Lights, holds a special place in the hearts of many of our county residents and millions of people all over the world. They look for Eid. It's a time of reflection and trying to fight good over evil, light over darkness, and the light of the lamps, the exchange of food, and gathering loved ones. We come together. So once again, welcome, and may this Diwali be a source of joy for all of you. And now we have a presentation for Anjali.
We have a resolution to present, and we're going to present it to Anjali on behalf of our board, recognizing Diwali, the Festival of Lights here in Union County.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you, commissioners. Namaste, everyone. As you know by now, my name is Anjali Mehrotra, and it is my honor to be part of this celebration once again. I was going to talk about the significance of Diwali, but I do not want to steal the thunder of the young people who are going to follow me. And frankly, I'm confident that they'll do a better job than me. Instead, I want to take this opportunity to talk about why this event is significant to me. In all the roles that I fulfill, whether it is on the New Jersey Governor's Asian American and Pacific Islander Commission, or when I ran for office, or in the work that I do with various national, state, and local nonprofits, I always talk about representation why it's important and why it matters. It allows people of different ethnicities and religions to feel visible. And today, with this, our third annual Diwali celebration in Union County, the Commissioner Board has made sure that we all feel seen. I want to thank Commissioner Chair Sergio Granados, Vice Chair Kimberly Palmieri-Motet, and all the Union County Commissioners for starting and keeping this tradition going. I also noticed that we have Summit Council President Greg Bartan in the audience. I want to say thank you to him. Growing up in India, Diwali was a time of new beginnings and community. It was a religious celebration, but what I remember most are the lights, the bright and shining homes, new clothes, fireworks, and getting together with family and friends. It was a sense of community, one that felt infectious. It literally felt like it was in the air. And as immigrants, we try our hardest to recreate that very feeling. And today, I have to thank this community that came together to bring that Diwali feeling to me. On extremely short notice, these are the people who answered the call when I reached out to them. My friend Ruba Kale and her sons who just performed the Gayatri Mantra, our amazing MC Neha Mahajan, and all our performance coordinators, Richa and Himadri from Dal Live, Aditi Khatri from Aditi Dance School, and Shrishmita Shrivastava, who organized the cruise from Westfield. The program that you are going to see today would not have been possible without them. And I can't thank you all for coming. To the parents, the performers, I always joke about how I used to be a dance mom, so I know what goes into keeping our culture alive for the next generation. I want to thank the staff of the Union County Administration for once again helping with all the logistics, and a special shout out to Jim Pelletier. On Diwali, we pray to Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and prosperity, and to Lord Ganesha to remove all obstacles in our path. May the light of Diwali bring peace, joy, safety, health, prosperity, and success to all. Om Shanti.